What if the moment you install Windows 11 your PC is already at risk? Most people don't think about it, but there is a small window of time right after a fresh Windows install where your system is actually vulnerable. And today we are talking about exactly that. When you install Windows using an ISO file, that's basically the installation package. The version of Windows Defender inside that file is old. Because ISO images are built at a specific point in time and Defender virus definition, they don't get updated inside the image automatically. So the moment you boot into your brand new Windows install, Defender is already behind. It's using outdated protection, and that gap, that small window, is exactly when you are most exposed. Think of it like this. You buy a brand new lock for your door, but the key pattern is from 2 years ago. Someone who knows old lock pattern can still get in. Same idea here. Defender works by matching threads against a list called security intelligence definition. The newer the list, the more threads it can catch. But the list inside your ISO, it was frozen the day that image was created. And here the real problem. Most people never even notice. They install Windows, everything looks fine, and they have no idea Defender is running on old data, sometimes months old. Microsoft actually has a fix for this, and they release it every 2 to 3 months. It's called a Defender definition update for OS installation images. This update goes directly into the Windows ISO, updating three things: the anti-malware client, the anti-malware engine, and the security intelligence signature. The latest release bumps the security intelligence version to 1.447. Now, is that the absolute latest? No, right now, live systems are already on version 1.451, but 1.447 is still massively better than what most ISO images ship with. It closes that vulnerable gap significantly, and the update covers all the main versions: 64-bit Windows, 32-bit Windows, and ARM64, so even newer devices are covered. No known issues, straightforward package, clean update. If this helped you, hit the like and subscribe